everyone, welcome back to Softtrix, the go-to spot for all things digital marketing. I am Karanjot and today we will be diving into the world of digital marketing and unpacking the secrets behind achieving higher search engine rankings naturally. That's right, we're talking about organic SEO services, the game changer for anyone looking to grow their online presence, increase visibility and drive targeted traffic. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of organic SEO services, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Let's start by understanding what is SEO in the first place. So SEO or search engine optimization is the secret sauce behind successful online businesses. It's the art and science of optimizing your website to rank higher on search engine result pages, ultimately making it easier for your potential customers to find you and interact with your website. Now, organic SEO takes these things to the next level. Let's understand how. Organic SEO refers to the process of optimizing your website and its content to improve its visibility on search engine result pages. Now, organic SEO takes these activities to the next level. Organic SEO doesn't involve paying for ad placements. Instead, it focuses on enhancing various elements of your website to rank higher in search engine algorithms. Think of it this way. When someone searches for a product, service or information on Google, Bing or any other search engine, the results that appear without an ad label are organic. Achieving a higher ranking in these organic search results is the primary goal of organic SEO. The key components of organic SEO include optimizing on-page elements such as content, meta tags, headers, as well as off-page factors like backlinks and social signals. The idea is to create a website that search engines consider relevant, authoritative, and user-friendly. Now, why all of this matters? Well, statistics show that a significant majority of clicks go to the top search results. So, if your website isn't there, you might be missing out on a valuable traffic and potential customers. Now, let's briefly understand why topping the organic search is a must for businesses like yours. First, the trust factor. When your business is at the top of organic search results, it sends a clear message of trust to your potential customers. Think about it. When you search for something, do you tend to click on the first few results? Most people do, and that's because those top positions are perceived as most reliable and credible. Next is increased visibility. When your website ranks in organic search, it's like having a prime spot in a bustling marketplace. More eyes on your business means more potential customer, and that's exactly what topping the organic search achieves. Another compelling reason is cost effectiveness. While paid advertising has its place, organic SEO services offer a long-term, sustainable solution without the ongoing costs of pay-per-click campaigns. Now, let's talk about gaining a competitive edge. In today's competitive market, businesses are vying for the attention of the same pool of customers. Topping the organic search results sets you apart from the competition, making you the first choice for potential customers. Now, let's talk about precisely how does organic SEO work. First up, we've got keyword research. It's like picking the right ingredients for a recipe. Identify the keywords that propel your site to the top when people search for your business. Next on the list is content creation. Think of it as creating a symphony of content types strategically tuned to hit those valuable keywords for your organic SEO campaign. Now let's talk about internal linking. We're building bridges between your site's pages and helping search bots navigate and index your content effectively. Next in the line is visual appeal. You can spice things up with multimedia integrations. Add images, infographics, and videos to your pages, keeping visitors hooked and exploring more. Do not forget user-friendly vibes. It's not just about looks. Ensure your site is user-friendly with smooth navigation, speedy loading buttons, and an updated design for that wow factor. Next is need for speed. When talking about speed, optimize your page load time. Keep it snappy within 2 to 3 seconds so visitors stick around and don't bounce off. Last but not the least, image alt tags. It's like giving your images a voice in the Google language, making sure they understand the story you're telling. These factors work together to appeal to Google's ranking algorithm, which can help you rank higher in SERPs. Now, let's address the burning question. How much does organic SEO cost? Well, the cost of organic SEO varies. Think of it like a customized suit. It depends on the unique needs and goals of your business. Small businesses might have different requirements than larger enterprises. On an average, the price of organic SEO services ranges from $300 to $1,500 per month with Softtrix. So, how exactly can Softtrix help optimize your business to top the organic search results? Number 1. Organic SEO services at Softtrix is more than optimization. It's the rocket fuel propelling your business to the stars of organic search results. At Softtrix, we transform keywords and content into digital gold, tuning your brand into online royalty. Number 3, our SEO experts orchestrate a masterpiece of SEO strategies from precise keyword selection to harmonious content creation. Number 4, Softtrix isn't just about rankings. It's about magnetizing customers, drawing them in with engaging content and irresistible online charisma. This is why we believe in delivering tangible results. It's not about promises, it's about elevating your business in real time. Still sitting on the fence? Watch what our clients have been saying about us.
I'm Hawkins, owner of the Digital Gurus. I've been working with Softtrix now for over 3 years. They provide a fantastic service for my agency. I have a lot of work when it comes to.
So, are you ready to boost your online presence? Dive into the magic of organic SEO services and watch your business soar. Remember, success isn't just reaching the top, it's staying there. If you've enjoyed the insights, drop a like, share your thoughts, and hit subscribe for more experts tips. Thanks for tuning in.